Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Have the VIN, account login, and the paired phone or key ready. Once done, power the car and confirm iDrive software is updated, because privacy controls appear only after updates install. Open the My BMW app or navigate iDrive, settings right arrow privacy. This is where you will change telemetry and data sharing permissions. Make sure to be on a stable connection, cellular or Wi-Fi, so settings sync back to BMW servers immediately. You now work through each permission, go into data sharing or privacy controls, and toggle telemetry, diagnostics, and remote usage off. Do one at a time to track effects. Next, revoke or limit third-party app permissions and clear map or voice assistant data if shown. Make sure to set location and crash reporting to minimal or opt out when offered, because those collect sensitive movement traces. Once adjustments are made, save and wait for a confirmation that settings synchronized to BMW Cloud. You finish by verifying changes. Check the My BMW app and iDrive to confirm sync and capture screenshots for your records. Then perform a short drive or feature test to ensure essential services still work. Disablements can affect navigation or concierge features. If something breaks, toggle the specific privacy setting back, then reapply minimal permissions until the feature works. Troubleshooting tip: if sync fails, reboot the car's infotainment, soft restart, and the app, then reattempt. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.